Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is how we're going to grow our garden this spring. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So there are going to be two types of ways that you're going to start your spring garden, and that is either A, from seed, or you'll do it from started plants. I've snagged some herbs from my local nursery, and I've also started some of my own plants this year. So my tomatoes and peppers are hardening off currently, and right now is the perfect time to put in some seeds. So let's go do that. First things first is you're gonna wanna moisten the soil. So what I really like to do is I like to flatten the area that I'm working with. So I'm just gonna flatten the area that I'm working with now, like so, just so it's all even and the seeds don't get washed away when I water. We will water the seeds in. So now that we got a flat area to work with, we're going to put the seeds down. Alrighty, so let's start with the lemon squash. It's really cute, just looks like a lemon. It's perfect for small spaces. And I like to direct sow my squash plants. We're gonna get some seeds in our hand. And on the back here, it shows you days till sprouting and all the planting information. Now, this is just a guideline. You don't, well, I treat it like a guideline. I don't necessarily follow this to a T just because I don't have a tape measure out here. But I do use my shovel to understand length. And take my first seed. I'm just gonna place it right here. And then I'm going to use my shovel and place it from the seed. Let me just show you. So I put down my first seed and take a shovel's length and put my second one down. Just like so. And then I'm gonna do it again from here. So I put the shovel down, and I'll place it there. And then I'll just kind of eyeball it because my gardening's not perfect and I don't claim to know everything. Obviously, we need to cover these seeds. So we need to cover these seeds. So honestly, I've heard lots of things where you can just plant the seed as deep as the seed is wide. I've heard of using like a pen tip. I've heard so many different things, and honestly, this is how I do it. So I take a pinch of soil, and that's it. You just take a pinch of soil, that guy right here. So there's our little seed, and I have my pinch of soil, and I'm just gonna pat them in. And you want to make sure that you pat your seeds in because you don't want the seed to go washed away. And I mean, that's why we pre-moisten the soil, and that's why we made the area flat. But just to be on the safe side, so I have it right here. Just gonna pat that in. And now what we're gonna do is water these guys in. Seeds will not germinate if they're not moist. If they're not moist, they're not going to have any energy to escape this shell. So that is how you plant zucchini seeds. Obviously, there are many different ways that you can do that you can grow your garden from seed. With this type of zucchini plant, this is how you sow from seed. So this ensures that the seeds are watered in. So that's it. That's how you grow your garden from seed. It is not too complicated. You can buy your seeds from anywhere from the dollar store, or a local nursery is fine as well. And I've grown tons of plants from grocery store seeds that I've collected from the produce that I've bought for my groceries. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.